Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
Yes. Naija wash over digging. Every said digging ogun bara agbo ogun wa agbo. Naija wash ogun ogbo ewa gbeyan o ogbo wa riabe. Naija wash iwa bo lawe gbe. Naija wash egeni na agwa bat igun ni na rovia bat. Una block a video man. Egeni na ro edumofi una block a video man. Naija wash who we emi dan. Una we yoro we almost emi dan. Ina do go egwi una block a page me una be collect a page me obomenia una ya change ni ekin BBC Naija una ya change e una me a video capture hosa o mu yo binakota egeni ya ge ke video no de 1000 owu na ya mu yin cause we no gbe capture hosa owu dodi o kan gbo Naija wash owu dodi o kan gbo Naija wash everything no we digin wow, I mean, wow, now, Joba Jebo, where everything native, yo, everything, digi, from where they use Naija wash, they work on native, yo, make una run for Ramo, anybody way near this, Naija wash, anybody way near them. He go claim say one can do good for you, he go claim your page, you know how many plays, he claim your YouTube, people come and say, nah, you're not good, you're not good. As you can't claim attitude and attitude not good. Una way see the clap and for I go take a reach on our body. Una way see the clap and follow Elvis. And when they clap and Elvis na evil. Elvis, Edigin, where they use itself, they claim say Naija was na evil. Me with a white every day, every seconds. Now call the course. You get as you reach just now. I will carry a piece of the picking piece of command. I'll start to knock egg for the top of all the more people can talk. All those foolish people waiting for outside. Where they talk where in Yore apple that day. Make the come out, make the come talk now. Why we? Make the come out, make the come talk now. Me ready for Naija wash. I ready for them. Before me open page for me, people don't complain about it for me. But I want you to look whether I'm a better person. You know, not say where tea not good. I the fisher and the come out for the Benin people. Naija wash not get what they contribute to Edo State. He not get what they contribute to Edo State. He's a corrupt man. He's a thief. He was Pasanini. Naija wash. Everything over again. He was Pasanini. Now worst criminal one another know. Now me they tell you now. Prophet Atiti the new generation. I they tell you now. Naija wash. Oh, the time when I call her, all waiting they tell me for a year. All waiting they tell me for a year. If I say I come through one for her, go square. All waiting Naija wash they tell me for this my year. If I say I come through one for her, go square. Naija wash na evil. Naija wash digi pikin na evil. Me they tell you now. Naija wash digi pikin na evil. Down. Una no see na persuade Yore. I don't want to talk this thing. Now persuade Yore. Say talk to Palace. Talk to Palace. Talk to Palace. Make your platform for big. Make your platform for big. Make your platform for big. Now persuade Yore. When Yore don't talk to Palace finish. Everything where the geek come wrong. He can't claim the YouTube. He can't go change the name. As he changed my own new generation prophet Titina. He can't change that to BBC Naija. Now say he change Yore. We not know the one way the name way that Yore YouTube the answer now. We not know am again. The name way that Yore YouTube the answer now. We not know. But in the church where they say don't go school, I so clever to catch and come out. Because the page when they take back my page up, when they take back my page up, we go take and open another page. I will take and open another page. We call them monitor. We dey monitor all my friends when they go school because me not go. Umenwa when they go school, Destiny when they go school, Baba J when they go school. There plenty like that. See, there plenty. There's who not go school go follow person way no go school. They follow person way go school. Why cannot be a Jack Paco? No, not be a Jack Paco. All those people when I mention their name now, you know go school reach half of them where they claim saying to know. But now I want face all of you now be evil. Now they spoil the community. Now people money now they fight to edit to themselves. People money now they fight Jack Paco. You know see your master Niger Wash or you know not be the Facebook I take the chop before. I don't reach work this morning. I don't see reach work. I want to send my newspaper. I want to see him. I want to see my newspaper. Now I take the feed, but una see him. Now you now this one I take the feed. Now what the person will feed you? Now they do not see him. Now my newspaper be this one. I see him. When I want to see today, when I want to get my daily bread, not be I take the chop. Say person don't feed their life. May not do something wait for grant. Now make me say what my mates they do. Now make me go to do one. Waiting not make me regret that page. Waiting not make me regret and they must give me my page. Since we don't know say the page they exist. Even though they block her now, Niger Watch will go Niger Watch. Yeah, me I use Okuta from that this day. A picture worry where I barely come the court. I want you to take me to the court. Let us go and judge the case in court. If I don't do that one, maybe people the fresh way they work out they'll tell you say this thing are very bad the way you do. Now that is your own way you do that we take push you command. You know, see, if I go like Ben anyhow, I just Paco, you know what I defend the way there. Make they follow woman the worst plate. Man, where not they go work. Where not they work. Now they follow woman worst plate. Now woman go the cut meat, he go the worst plate. Man, where they go work, we come up for the morning. He call it hours for night. He wife go worst plate cut meat. I will pay way. I will know. So Niger Watch, you say that my money. Now you want to feed your picking. Boki oya hiae. Boki oya hiae. Oh, ginya o. We no break after osa ogbo. Okay, we no break after osa a big man o. But ogo vi ogbo kan gbo wo vi ogwe. Ogo vi ogwe non edigin of your vis. Ya have ari ogwa. I debane I we fan we na. Ya have ari why we hu. Ya have so why we set a YouTube tubu we set bobo make am a topic. Bobo me am gbo Niger Watch no vi edigin. Everything over here, the pepper can move boy. Anybody to tag where we are unama. No go bow and it better be a baby. Dear my beggar, una change any way. Error of anywhere with the Niger Watch. Error of anywhere with anybody may have feel with you. He may have fear anywhere with it to. And then I go about it, going now, I go about it, go with that batty woman who block a video man. Who block a Who block a who when we done here? Abati ma block a video man. Abati mass of what? Abati wa mass of wa ya fe. Abati mass of wa bato base mass of wa pa e. Tabati wo ge ladian. O wa wo ge ladian. Abati abase o wa wo ge ladian. O leri ya wa kun leri ya me denu wa be na. Abati na ta we ya block about foundation, we ya block ya go jian. E me we about abati ga ata. Abati na ta we foundation mi ya block e. Ya block o ge ya ta o jian. E me wa bate mata ga ata. Ya gele wa block our foundation ni. E wa yo we ni ya wina. Niger Watch. O bi adigi. Ero ja yunu. Aya wa mo gbogbo ma mo na ka gbe. O na yan gbo Niger Watch. O bi adigi everis. O na yan gbo e. Short one we to drop in na. E we drop e pa. E bebo me kan mu gbo Niger Watch. O bi adigi. Ah gwa be ba gwa bi you a un dan. Igo ni wari o gbo mo you a o. Wari go ni o gbo ko you a o. We. Ma wo that so e. You know you we change ni. You know, my web page in my blog is there. I have a computer wizards. In my swing here, I have a computer wizard. There was monitor that page is there. It may be no day at where artists they don't change the name. They don't change the name. Come on. Yeah, we know another one. So a video go kumbo no mu yo no there. A video go kumbo no mu yo kafteosa. Igiya mwe bogbo no there. We no egira oni ha. A wrestling we amu yo. Why nation like about worst? Wa fe ko die di mo fi da house no fi pin ko di vi mi ya na di mo sa e di mo fi da house de mo fe e di mo fi ki atala de han e di mo fi afe ko ti mo fe ko fi eyan bo e di mo fi da house wa fe ko tie uvie pinko di vie mi ya yobo ime ninu ya fe were ni u fe ko vie mi ya go no de edimofi da house edimofi do vie me if you go menwa do change mi ya when you can change ni menwa de gbe do change e do kin new generation prophet atiti very yo Naija Watch èmi na yu èmi ni ye yu pogwe bege ma we gba ma we me Naija Watch ma mu gbe kan gbe ona me ga kekere dadi una ya change ni BBC Naija una ye Naija Watch yu we na agwabira bi yu undan ojoba jewo agbato ba se ma se waya fefefe o ma sa je pako o ma se waya no waya na ba ti wo ge lajo because o wo ge lajo mi no ya we egun awe o se na da agun egun gbe no be gun FVC e digi gbogbo edomo move forward you know see you are a deceiver o pe ni wa no wan de ni omo no temu but how we do move forward we do I move forward here we are o pe ni wa no temu who block who de wa gba destiny FVC no via digin wabera wabiju FVC no via digin FVC Naija Watch ipa agbo wa be na jakeme be na iveri ona no ene.
Thank you all for watching this video. I beg my people, make una no use dey watch my video dey go like that. Una hit that red subscription button wey say subscribe. I beg una do me a favor. Share this video to WhatsApp. Share my people. Una no watch and go like that so that it will get to Naija Watch. Bye bye.